So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyles. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem, Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series, Orbem. It's book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. Yeah, just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or... I never unmuted. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday! We did it! We made it to Friday. Frieza Friday. What is going on? Ready for the weekend. Because everybody's... I don't know if anybody's told you this, but everybody's working for the weekend. So, in case you're wondering, that's a fact. And everybody's working. Oh, I can't sing that, can I? I'm gonna get sued. What's up? How y'all doing tonight? Ready and willing to watch Panda Fuckamonium? The craziest stream you've ever seen on a Friday? Holy shit. I am so envious of you that you are watching this. I wish I could be watching it. Technically, I'm watching it in like 3 different places, but I know what's going to happen, so not a big deal. So, Maybe we'll just do boring stuff. Let's first get some sound effects working. Maybe we'll do like full brass today. Why does full brass sound shittier than trumpets? Alright, let's actually get a new shit going. I actually had a song I was working on, the violin. No. I was working on this little bit. Just like as a loop for the violin restaurant. Seems like it'd be a really good background with maybe a little bit of a melody on top. And we'll actually move the whole thing. You know, just add a little melody on top, and then that would be like a good little slow jam to have in the background of violin. I'll turn it down. I don't even know, maybe a little drum would work with this. Oops, as well. Nope. God damn it, come on. New. We need like a little jazzy drum beat. Drum kits. Where's like some jazz? I don't know what it. Oh, it's up here. Hip hop. Yeah. Hip hop. Trap. No. R&B. Maybe percussion. I don't know. Rock? Is there a jazzy rock? Indie, garage, synth. What's just like some shit? Funky roots. Maybe just percussion? Songwriter percussion. I don't even know what that means. What about... I don't know. Let's try R&B. Soul. Are you gonna add it? Yeah. Do you mind? Oh, it's way over here. What the fuck? No, it's gotta be simple and soft. Even simpler. Yeah, something like that. Swingier. Is there something? I still think it's too fast. That's better. It would help if I was playing on beat. I actually don't think drum's gonna work. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe you can just chill. Maybe have like a fucking... a new, have like a cello playing or some shit. I wish I had different types of strings. It doesn't really have that. Something like that. A little bit of string with a loop. I think I didn't start at the same time though. Yes. Let's start exactly at the beginning. Start at the beginning. So I think I need a little bit more. Yeah. There, now we got a nice loop with some strings. So it's not so empty. Something you'd see in a restaurant. Piano player with a little strings. Yeah, whatever. I didn't plan on writing right now, but I did want to have a piano ready. Okay. Enough of that. Let's give the channel a shout. What happened? Oh. Streaming now. There we go. Let's see if that gets their attention. Okay. Yeah, I think we just have to jump right back into the fucking NPC issue. I mean, it wasn't an issue, but the NPC feature that I was working on. So, let's get on that. Let's go back to local. Fuck you, local. Let's get you to Time controls everyone. Why are we to blame? No one deserves to lose their something dumb. Nice. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, tick season. That's great. I was just all up in my dog's business. Gotta keep an eye out for those. The ticks are back. Alright. Gross. Had a tick in my leg last season. That was cool. Could have died. I didn't. Now I'm like trying to feel. Are there any more on me? No? Okay. I think we're good. Piece of shit. Where would I have gotten that? He must have been just on the couch or something. I was fucking around with Sawyer, but... yeah, I'm not very happy about this. We have a service that comes by and they spray, you know, for ticks and mosquitoes and shit. But not till May. That's when the season starts. So let's go to where the NPC is walking. Yeah, let's start this shit again. I thought I fixed this already. What's this weird course shit? What is this? I thought I fixed this shit. Failed. No, that's Chipmatic. Yeah, I replaced all the fucking... I replaced all of the calls with fetch calls to avoid this. But the area call's failing. Why? Meh. Where would it be? Where's the fucking area call? No. This is not the area call. No. It would, oh, I'm on the JavaScript. Here we go. CORS error. Why am I getting a CORS error? I'm calling it from my own fucking site. And why is it saying CORS error even though it's... saying CORS error even though it's 200. Same with the points. CORS error. What the fuck does that mean? Look, CORS error. But it's a 200 response. Doesn't make any sense. Missing allow origin here. It's because I upgraded fucking Chrome, dude. I swear to God. The newest Chrome has gotten super strict. Look at... Oh, god damn it. It's because I'm on the fucking HTTPS. Why are the post calls coming up different, though? Why am I on HTTP? Ugh, whatever. Hold on. I need to go to the theme URL or whatever the fuck. Yeah, this one, WP theme URL. Because this one is coming up with HTTPS. Even though, like, apparently I'm on HTTP. So, where's that? I think I'm defining that server side. Yeah. Replace that with that. Oh. No, see, I'm getting rid of them. Why is it doing HTTPS? I should be getting... Yeah, getting rid of everything for home URL. What the fuck? W theme URL. See? Why is it calling it from... I'm not putting in HTTP. Request URL. It's adding it itself. Is that because this is... No, yeah, I guess I'm on HTTP. Okay, hold on. Let me restart this whole fucking thing. On HTTPS. See, look, it switched it back. There we go. Now this is fresh. Should be able to do everything now. That. Looks like it got the point fine. Okay, yeah, that was it. Bullshit. I say bullshit. Ah, fuck, I got stuck. No. Damn it. I really should turn that off, but it's just for this one test. See, oh, maybe that's why, because it's redirecting me with... Where's the reset logic? Game URL. So game URL is coming from here. Oh, okay. I think I need to do the same thing for game URL. That's why. I need to do this whole thing. Yeah. Let's do that. Okay. This should now be the right URL. You know something else I wanted to try? Yeah, there you go. It's HTTPS now. I wanted to, I think, convert this to a plugin. I want to take this out of my theme and make this into a plugin right now. Oh. Hear that new intro? This is a new song from Crooktooth that I just recorded on today. Very brutal. But it's got a Mexican theme, so I made a Mexican... Now I'm all fucking tripping, like I have ticks everywhere. No. Just tripping out. Alright, we gotta get this Friday started, everybody. First off, everybody that's not here, fuck you. Who do you think you are? Not coming to stream on a Friday. Second of all, you know what time it is. Nailed it. I forgot to put the category. Let's do that real quick. And then we'll get to the cheersing. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Don't mind me. Just putting the category. Yeah, right. That's better. And I'm going to snooze ads. Just in case anybody jumps on from me changing the category. Alright. Hey. Cheers, everybody. Happy Friday. We fucking made it, dude. We fucking made it. Yeah, we did. That's exciting. One day I'm gonna get that. It's just so hard on the little keyboard. The keyboard's so small. Like the little keys. I got a little like 26 key MIDI keyboard over here. So much easier to play on a full split. And like my muscle memory's better on that song too. And I'm not like twisting my body. Oh, I just got scotch in my eye. Oh, that burns. But you know what? It's much better. Scotch is great. Great for you in all ways. So even in your eye, now I can see twice as well on my right eye, which sucks because now my left eye is kind of screwed up. It's okay. Okay. What was that talking about? Oh yeah, we gotta do this. So the fucked up part we're thinking, and the way I think I can fix it is by limiting the touch points. So if I touch him right now, while he's walking, he should stop. Okay? And he should stop until I'm done touching him. But right now, he's constantly hitting that function that like switches between his different paths. So when I go away, he might go the other way. Yeah, it kind of like fucks with it. So let's see if that'll fix it. Let's go here. Let's do NPC move. NPC move. Okay. And the whole fucking thing is this whole can move functionality. So if it's not false, he moves. Else, I do this whole thing where I reset this and I set his thing and blah, 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 blah. Now, the fucked up part here is this. Oh, wait, no. What? Wait, what happened? What happened to me changing his position? Oh, maybe I just got rid of that for now. Wait, no, it's here. Wait, this is the wrong one. Oh, okay, sorry. Wrong one. This is it. This is the if statement. Right? Wait, what? Am I missing something? Here, so I got this if statement goes to here. Okay, yeah. Why isn't it showing in this? Huh. Usually it shows me at the top here. This whole thing. This whole reset of the loop amount and the position. Wait, set current position. So wait, what is this loop amount? I don't even need this. That was for next position. So blah 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 blah. Otherwise it's path count. Wait, no. Oh, I think I'm setting loop amount. That's right. And position. But I only want to do these things once. That's the problem. So yeah. So what I'm going to do here is do like a did pause NPC equals shit. Will it be a new variable for each person? Yeah, I have to put in the loop. Okay. So did pause false. Yeah. And then here I need to do if false equals did pause NPC. Then you can do this. Else did pause. Oh, no. Yeah, you do this. Oops. Yeah, do this. Actually, I guess you just should do the whole thing, huh? Now that I think about it. And then I should set did pause NPC equals true. That way, until he's unpaused, it shouldn't repause over and over and over. So then in the loop here, which I thought I was looping, but maybe I'm not actually. I guess the interval counts. So here I'll set a let did pause NPC equals false. This might work. My only problem is I need to test this with multiple walking NPCs, because that's where this might get screwy with the whole variable setting. But I think this will set for every NPC. Like I'll hit this and a new NPC will run. We'll see. Okay, let's see if this works. So he should pause, and they should just continue. Hey, C Films, I'm doing all right. Back to business. I didn't stream yesterday. The kid's weird schedule. 90%? Uh-oh. What happened to that 10%, my friend? You know I don't like 90. So he's paused. It shouldn't matter how long he's paused. When I move away, he should keep going this way full. It's doing the same thing. I actually don't even know what it's doing. Yeah, so he should go all the way there, and he should go all the way back. It's almost like he's not going all the way back, actually. Where is he starting when I start? It just seems farther, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I should make him walk farther. That way it's a little bit more obvious. Let's go. Character. I keep forgetting I moved everything into a sub-menu. And this is CEO Office. So let's make it starting left farther to the right. So we'll go like 2800. And then we'll make him... I'll keep him going in the same spot. Alright. Yeah, maybe I should make him go farther too. To the left. He's going to 2000. Let's make him go to 1900. Just a little farther. Ah, you're sick? Bummer, dude. Sorry to hear that. That's no bueno. Well, at least you're alive. So he's gonna go farther. Okay, good. And that'll give me more time to walk over here. And now you should walk a lot farther. Little sickness? Okay, that's not bad then. Good to hear. So he pauses when he runs into me. And then if I walk away, how far? Okay, there we go. Now we're talking. That's exactly what should happen. And then you should just start the normal speed again. Good. That's actually functioning right. Let's try again and we'll wait a different amount of time. You're working on adding amusement parks to Seafoam's database and website. Wow. Sounds like a great idea. Yeah, a lot more useful to people that are traveling. You know, a lot of times they want to go visit something, and then if they have more options like theme parks, that's a great option for them to go to. There we go. It's doing it now, even though I waited a random amount of time. All right, we need to push this up and see if it works with Carol. Do I play piano? Yeah. I make all the music in the games. Bop, 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 bop. Yeah. Been playing for a long time, since I was a kid. I'm trying to remember that song that I wrote. Yeah, I've been doing music for a while. Played a lot of keyboards and bands too, you know. Not just regular piano. I suck at reading sheet music though, unfortunately. My daughter's really good at it. She plays the flute and she reads sheet music like like it's a book. I'm like, my mom could always do it, but I never learned. Well, I learned, and then I semi-forgot, and I started just memorizing the songs, so I gave up. Let's push this up. Bum, 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 bum. Very few amusement parks in the Northwest. It's true. Yeah. Yeah, there really isn't, is there? Yeah, because I'm from California, so that's where all the theme parks were. You know, Disneyland, Universal, Magic Mountain. Piano's probably the best instrument I'm best at. You know, I mean, I'm more of a singer, screamer. You know, I think I'm better at doing that than playing piano. But yeah, if I was out to pick an instrument, it would be piano. I don't really know anything else. Alright. Oh yeah, I fixed this too. Okay. I think that's all I need to push. Go! But with this piano, I can also play the violin. See? Multi-talented. Yeah, this was like a new song I was working on for the game. Oh, ads. Really? I don't have ads. Oh, I am subscribed now, that's why. We'll wait. Okay. Escape to Orbem. Let's see how Carol treats me. Well, she's not bouncing around like she was before. Let's get out of her way. Sure is taking her a while to move again. Yeah, see, she's doing the same thing. She's like skipping her path. Hell yeah, you write your own raps? Hell yeah. Well, if you need me to make you some beats, man, I do that too. Not on purpose for anything, but like this. It's not really something you can rap to, but I can do stuff like that. We also have this sweet one that can be rapped on. That I added some screams to it because it's an epic metal boss fight. I don't really know what to do with this one. Arthur Caleb? Yeah. Of course a WordPress game engine. Doesn't this look like a WordPress game engine site? Hey, thanks for jumping on YouTube, my friend. Yeah, WordPress game engine. So, this is WordPress. You're probably familiar with it from looking at it. And this is an area in WordPress. Technically, this is the actual landing page. But I developed this custom plugin. It's in my theme, but it's going to be a plugin called Orbem Game Engine. I don't know. I'll come up with a name. And basically, it's just a bunch of, you know, custom fields I've registered, custom post types that define areas in the game, a bunch of items, characters, everything that goes into the RPG video game that I'm developing is using this game engine system. So, and there's a lot of, you know, functionality built into it, like categorizing based off of what area you're in, cutscenes, you know, focus view things where you have to look at something close up, mini games, tutorial things. Like this is my local that I'm working on. You know, I have like automatic movement functionality that like moves you to a certain spot and starts a cutscene. See, the cutscene's kind of covered up from the screen, but yeah. Very complex, and it switches you to a new area, which I have not resized for my new assets. Yeah, you got blockades built into it, so I can't leave a room until I do a mission. Been working on it for a very long time, so there's a lot of functionality into this one, including, you know, item menus, menus, point systems, mission lists, health, mana, recharge bar, because he can do transportation. And yeah, now we're just kind of working on the final assets. Like, this is like a better looking map and stuff like that, and I'm actually building the game out on production. You can play it right now. It's orbemortar.com/escape to Orbem. And it, yeah. Eventually I'm going to turn this into, you know, a plugin. I'm going to post it in the WordPress directory and let people make their own RPGs. See, that's what I don't get. She's... What the fuck? Why is she so different? I know she has a bunch of paths. Does the game assets have SEO? Oh yeah, they do. Yeah, I mean, it's a website, so it's just built into the site, you know what I mean? You got your JSON LD right here. I mean, I'm just using Yoast right now, but this is all, you know, SEO built into the game itself. So you could find it on a search engine and just play it, you know? Yeah, I mean, if you search, what? WordPress game engine. I'm pretty sure I come up eventually. Well, yeah, all my YouTubes come up, but the game itself, I thought it would come up. Maybe not. Just my YouTube videos are coming up. I guess I don't use the word. I have to put tags on the site, but I can definitely SEO optimize this since it's just on my website, right? I mean, this is orbemortar.com. It's, you know, it's a marketing website for my book series, which the game is also a marketing tool for the book series as well as the streaming. And we have fucking items for sale, like flex keys. These things, if you're a programmer or you're a musician, if you play the piano. That wasn't a piano though, that was kind of a synthesizer, but it's good. Dexterity, you know, builds dexterity. Orbemortar.com. Yeah, you can get to it from the homepage. This little escape link here. Here, I'll type it in. Orbemortar.com/escape. I actually have like a helper link, but for some reason, even though I have it forwarding, it won't work. Like, I have orbem.games, but it keeps redirecting to the wrong... Oh, it's working. Hey, it works. Orbem.games. That's much easier. Orbem.games. Good. That wasn't working before. I don't know why it started working out of nowhere, but Orbem.games, yeah, that'll take you to the game. And it's a WordPress site. You have to sign in. I have a Google sign-in, so it's really easy. But like, all your game data gets saved to your user meta. So like your coordinates, everything that happens in the game. Like if I refresh the page right now and I click continue, I'm in the same spot, right? Because I'm saving your coordinates in the game. And it saves your points, it saves everything. So you can play it, close it, come back, play it again. And it's mobile friendly. I mean, obviously it hasn't been like built out perfectly yet, but you can play this on your phone using touch instead of the keyboard. So that'll be a fun feature. If you're in the middle of an awesome fucking level and you just want to play again, but you have to leave, just jump on your phone, man. Continue the game. And coming in the future, I have WebSocket, so it can be multiplayer. I don't know if this is the game I'll use multiplayer functionality, but I'm going to build another RPG using the same game engine. Does this game work on Amazon phone? Yeah, sure. It's just a website. It's vanilla JavaScript and Sass styling. If any website works on your phone, then it'll work on your phone. But, like I said, I haven't added action buttons yet to the phone functionality. So, like, you can't read signs. You were testing me? Good. You can't break plants on your phone yet, because I don't have an action button yet. But you can on your desktop. Fuck these plants. Yeah, I'm currently working on the damn NPC. Like, I can get her to stop now, but it's not continuing her path. So I think I need to make the local dude do multiple things, so I can see how it works with multiple walking paths. So let me actually go back to local. Pocket PC? Of course it works on the Pocket PC. Alright, thanks Arthur. Hope you're subscribed so you can see the progress of this craziness. Have a good one, man. Okay. So we need to change his walking path. So right now he only has one. We need to add another one. I'll make him go left, and then I'll make him go down. I'll make him go down. Make him go to like 2300. Same left, 1900. So that way he walks over, he walks down, and then it will go back. I could actually make him go back up. That'd probably be more natural. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, we'll see now that he has multiple different walking paths if he follows the path correctly. Which I'm guessing he won't, based off of what Carol's doing. I hope he doesn't, so that I can fix it. Don't really know why, though. He don't make no shit. Alright. So let's get away from his cutscene. Oh shit. He's walking down far. And then he should walk back up. And then he should walk back over there. Yep. Perfect. And then he'll walk back here. So let's stop him here. Let's see if he walks back up or if he walks over to the right. Which I'm guessing he'll walk over to the right. Oh, see, that's weird. He actually continued going the right way. Okay, well, let's try this. I'll stop him over here. Okay. Now let's see what he does. Will he continue left and then walk down? Now, see? He skipped the rest of his path. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. It, like, combined the paths. Okay. So my logic is definitely not correct. So this whole, this shit right here, the did pause functionality, I still think it's working, but let's add a console here. And let's see how many times this gets hit. Because it should only get hit once. Life only to find another cup of fate, shattered dreams. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I forgot I did that. No! Damn it. I hit the damn cutscene. One more. What the fuck? I thought I fixed the reset URL. It's not working. Why is it still hitting the fucking HTTP? Doesn't make any sense. New game. Ah, see, it's wrong. So if I go to HTTPS, skip, and I do new game again. See, it's going back. What the fuck? But, oh no, that was the wrong spot. Yeah, game URL. See, game URL should be nothing. Oh, get option. Oh, this is the default. Oh, okay. Okay, I need to do this to the actual entire thing, not this, not the home URL. That's just the default. My bad. Good to know. There we go. We figured it out. We got there. Yeah, see, that's fine. It redirects me, but let's try going from... Nope, still going the wrong thing. See, that's... Oh wait, what's leave game doing, actually? Leave... Game... 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 What's the leave game link do? Actually, I didn't even think about that. I need to add that there too, huh? Because that's a link just in the template. Hmm. Where's the settings? Settings... U. Here we go. Game URL. Ah. Yeah, see, that's fucked up. Because game URL... Wait, where the fuck is game URL? Game URL's coming from here, I guess. Here we go. Okay, now it'll be right. The leave game link will be right now. So if I start game, leave game, what the fuck? I guess if you don't add HTTPS though, or HTTP, that it'll start with HTTP. Shit. Okay. I'm going to leave this. Oops. And I'm going to update what I put on game. In the game options, at least. Which I just realized was the reason I couldn't log in this whole time. Yep. See, look. I put the... Oh, shit. Game URL. Why are you an image? I gotta fix that. Where's the game options? Right here. Upload. This is not an upload. Text. Whatever. Oh shit, wrong one. Text. There you go. There we go. Much better. Save. Okay. Now let's fuck around. Good. Start. Leave game. Yay! Okay, now we're good. Alright, this should no longer be a problem. In fact, no, I'll leave the other ones. The other ones I don't want to define HTTP or HTTPS. But the link, I do. I want you to have the ability. Alright, we're back. What did I change? Why did I do this? Oh, because I wanted to see the console. Right. Wow. So Hay's getting hit this whole time. Which is wrong. Yeah, that's wrong. That means that this is not working. It should... Oh, it's because it's getting reset right here. I'm an idiot. So I really do have to set it up here. Whoops. Yeah. Yeah, I'm dumb. Don't mind me just being dumb. Cheers to being dumb. Okay, I was having a moment. Try again. Run into me, bitch. Pop. There we go. Now I got hit once. So now if I go over here, he should keep going down. I didn't like that he kind of jumped back for a bit. But he did end up going the right way eventually. Alright, well, let's test it over here. What? Wow. I got hit. Oh, no. I'm still in the same console, that's why. Alright, let's move. Let's see if he continues his path. Well, that's promising. So what if I go here and he tries to come back? Stopped. Okay, and then I move. Will he keep going? I think this might be it. All right, let's push this up. This actually might be it. Kind of sounds like a circus act more than anything. Alright, alright. Yes, I figured out the loop feature on my keyboard too. That's good. And you can change the tempo to something crazy fast. Oh yeah, here we go. I forgot to fix that. Oh wait, page tempo. I fixed you too. Oh, local 6.8? Yes, please. Get me to 6.8, my friend, because I know my website will be. Gotta see all the fucked up changes. Just kidding. It'll be fine. Alright. Let's see. Will Carol mind her own fucking business and stop walking into me and then walking like a psychopath? I don't know why the YouTube Shorts live feed keeps lagging. Oh, everything's lagging. Wow. I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, I was recording earlier, so I took my computer to the movie theater and I forgot to turn the Wi-Fi off. And then I turned the Wi-Fi off before I plugged in the Ethernet cable so I could be hardwired in. And yeah, that's why we've had such a shitty connection this entire stream, probably. Well, hopefully that didn't make two different videos. That would be kind of weird. It did seem to just turn back on, though. So that's good. Doesn't seem like a separate stream, right? Oh, on Twitch it's a separate stream. Did it make a separate stream on YouTube? No, looks like YouTube just picked it right back up. That's good. Fuck you, Twitch. You're a pussy. Whatever. You do you, boo. Okay, let's see if Carol is better. Come on, Carol. So, first off, run into me now, bitch. Stop. Now, will she continue to the left? Or will she fuck off, like she has been doing? Well, she decided, I'm going to continue my path. In a much slower path. Alright, I think we might have gotten it, honestly. Because if she goes up at normal speed, then that's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, there she goes. Worked great. Not a problem at all. Oh, shit. Well, I didn't mean to do that. What happened to my punch? Uh-oh. What the fuck? Why can't I punch? Failed. What failed? What is going on? Where's my punch? My punch is right there. Uh-oh. My keyboard doesn't work. American Urkel. It's problem, and I leave. What's problem? Alright. Thanks for coming and telling me it's a problem. I agree with you. Yeah, it's weird. Why is my punching not working? Let me restart. That's kind of funky. Was it? It was working. Maybe it wasn't working at all. I don't know. What the fuck? Well, I screwed up that new... I screwed up a whole bunch of shit. Okay, punching works here. Well, that's good. I wonder if it's because I touched Carol. Touch! Whatever. No? She doesn't care. Okay. Touch him. Oh yeah, will he be able to walk normally now? Oh, shit. Well, he's too fast for me to touch. Bye. Oh, okay, I can punch again. Huh, that was weird. Wonder why that happened. In this weird office with lots of marble floors. Boopy doopy doop doop. Floors that I created myself. Alright. Oh, he's way up here. Oh yeah, I gotta change the map again. What did I decide? I decided that it was, it didn't matter how far down it was. It's just the amount of, yeah, what I can see. Which means I just need to make the tables shorter, honestly. Which I can do. It's too big. It can be skinnier. And I can also put him under, maybe I can put him under the table. I'd have to make the table an actual item though then. See, that's what I was wondering. Should I make some items foreground items? Like add an option where there can be background items that you can walk over and foreground items that you can walk under. Because then I could do little hybrids where the item is on top. There is a collision point that is shorter. So when I walk on this side, it's fine. But when I walk on this side, I can kind of walk under it a bit. So it looks like it's overlapping me. And that would be a very, like right here, like I'd be able to walk past it. That would make things a lot more dynamic. You know what I mean? And since I already mastered the NPC stopping bug, like right now, I could stop his ass. If I walk over here, he can't walk past me. Yeah, don't even try, bitch. It's fine, I'll let you walk. Whoa, he started walking way quick. Okay. He didn't give a shit. He said, nope. That was actually really smooth. Bah. Sorry. Oh, he's pretty good. Solid. Solid. We nailed that. You know, I'm not against creating a little bit more functionality. I'm just kind of delaying creating more assets. I'm never going to finish this demo. I really need to work on book 3. I feel really bad. This is not book 3, this is book 2. I mean, that's book 1. Um, foreground items. Yeah. Foreground items. I was actually thinking about working on NPC movement, random NPC movement as well. Or like I don't have to define a path. I just let them walk around the map until they run into something. And then they turn around and walk a different way. And I'll just do the same thing I did for stream avatars, which is like a random math algorithm that moves the element around the screen with some parameters. I can use the size of the map so they can't randomly go past it. But then we'd have like, if you run into a collision point, turn around. And that would allow me to use that on bosses too. Because right now my boss just goes on a set path over and over in like a circle. But if I had him on a random walking path, then it would be more dynamic of a fight. So that's two things I can work on. The foreground one would solve my table issue. I don't necessarily have the use case for the random movement yet. And I can foresee them getting stuck in rooms right now pretty easily. Like Carol wouldn't be able to leave her office. She would just get run into trees and shit the whole time. So yeah. I think the foreground thing would be a good idea. And I can use that right here basically first. I'll have to turn off his fucking thing though. So let's actually go to the cutscene and turn that off. And we'll just get started on this. It's not going to be... I'm not going to finish this tonight or anything. Trigger. Auto. Trigger point. So this is what moves me to the trigger point. Before. I also have one that could move me after, which is pretty cool. Alright, where's the actual here's a cutscene trigger right here. So I'm just gonna make this 0 by 0. That way I can't hit it. Right, left 0? That's kind of weird. Weird. Okay. And then we need to create a couple things for this. We need a new option in items to make them foreground or background, which will be style based, but if they're foreground, they also you should be able to walk through them because you're going to walk under them, right? If they're background, then you should still... background will just be default. Maybe I shouldn't call it background then. It should be foreground and... I don't know. Default. Foreground, normal. Something like that. So we'll just go MetaMux class. We'll go to cutscene. Explore point. Yeah, see, we have the whole interacted, disappear, explore. Like we already have that. Whether it should disappear when you interact with it or not, and whether it should be passable when you interact with it or not. So that's different than this, which is explore foreground. So this will be a radio option in the meta box. In the meta box, explore point. Let's look for that like passable shit. Okay, let's put it here. We'll just copy it. Same shit. Foreground item. You can pass under it. Yes or no? Yeah, we'll just do that. Foreground, yes or no. Easy. We'll call it foreground. 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 I like typing, don't worry. Foreground. Ooh, what a weird Friday. Nobody's came. Usually Fridays are fucking busy as shit. Alright. And then that option will make it so that explore items, so HTML. So here we'll get, you know, passable. Where's passable? Okay. We'll do the same thing for foreground. And basically it'll just be a data point, which will trigger a style change. And a style change and a collision point change. So if it has this data point, you cannot collide with it. I mean, collide with it, but you can't be stopped by colliding with it. This might be easier than I thought, actually. I might be able to knock this out right now. Just gonna add it in the same spot. Will be foreground. I mean, I've been developing this game for so long that everything is kind of already built. So it's easy to add new things to it, which is the whole point. Data foreground, true. Yeah. Alright. So this is all the server-side stuff. And then the JavaScript side, we'll look at collision walls. Projectile. Let's look for the knots, actually. That'll help me. Knot. Here we go. Modal. Pop, 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 pop. Oh no, that's modal. I need box. No. Not drag dash. Projectile. Oh, here we go. Collision walls. Block movement. So I need a knot. There's so many. Knot. Data foreground equals true. There we go. So that will stop us from colliding with it. And then style wise, I need to put the Z index just higher than me. So we'll go here and we'll go to map item. So passable, you see how it has 0 index. But now for oh, that it needed a class, so just I don't need that class here. Foreground The index needs to be no. Wait, where's map? Map character. Okay, so I'm only Z once. Okay. So I don't have to go crazy. Yeah, we can just go 2. I don't want to go crazy. All right. So let's do JavaScript and let's do Sass and let's just try it out. Let's make an item foreground true and just walk through it. That'll be very interesting. And a solid solution. So let's go to, I'm in the office right now. Okay, there's nothing in here, so I should actually do an item that's, yeah, I need it to be an item, that's the problem. I was gonna do the table, but the table's not an item. It's just a collision point in the SVG. Items. So let's do something in Foresight. We'll do the box of a, oh no, I can't get to it. It's too small of an area. I guess I could change it to the default, like to the production one. Whatever, for now we'll just do plant. We'll change the plant. Instead of breakable, we'll just do none. And then we'll just make it foreground, yes. Cool. And nothing should happen to it. So let's restart. New game should work. Shouldn't take us to HTTP. Looks... Uh-oh. What the fuck? Oh, that's right. Oh, good. Well, we found the issue here. New game reset. Reset. Or new game. Here we go. Game URL. Yeah, problem with this. I don't know what the problem is with this, actually. Why is it doing this? Oh, let's see. What am I doing with the game? Yeah, I need to change this, by the way. This needs to go inside the Explore. Explore class. Because we're passing game URL. Is it because I'm taking all this shit off and I'm making it nothing? So let's not do that. Maybe. For game URL. Let's do this. Yeah, because it's seeing it as like a hard stop. I'm actually going to test that real quick. Make sure. Oh yeah, I gotta move. Okay. Now let's go. New game. Alright, there we go. Now it worked. Alright, we should technically be able to pass under the plant. So let's see. Nope. Alright, well, let's see what happened. Do you have the data point? Data. No. Why not? Data foreground. Didn't I make you? Hold on. What happened? Explore. No, yeah. Class. Foreground. Oh shit, I didn't change this. Hold on. Foreground. My bad. Now it should work. Oh yeah. Oh. I still fucked it up. But I thought I turned interaction off. Wait. How does it... Oh, interacted eye. Oh, it's if the image exists, it interacts. Hey, that's fine. I'm fine with that. Cool. Well, that's good, because that means you could, like... I don't know. You can walk under a bucket and have it dump on you. I don't know, fucking something. Hey, that's great. Look, passable works. Woohoo. Good. And then just to double check, let's turn that off and make sure it does work. So now, technically, I should not be able to pass under it. Perfect. And once again, let's turn passable foreground item on. Refresh. Perfect. Awesome. That's big. That was actually something I was not going to finish right now, but I did. Because it wasn't too bad. Oh yeah, sorry. I turned off my Wi-Fi, but I forgot that I wasn't hardlined into the Ethernet, so it went away. But I did add a new feature to items, which is really cool. So now you can make items foreground items. So now I can walk under certain items, which I'm going to use for the table. And if I turn it off, then the same item that I have been walking under, when you refresh, is now solid, and I can't walk under it. So, that'll be useful. For literally just for aesthetic reasons, like when I need to put something over something and you need to be able to walk under it, an umbrella, whatever. Oh, nice. cfilms.com. Movies. Seattle born. Cities. Amusement parks. Where do I see amusement parks? Maybe in the city. Golf course. Hey, you have ads. You make lots of money off of ads? Or any? That's cool. It's really hard to get ads approved. Movie theaters. Yeah, I don't see theme parks yet. What? You have other states? Nice. Sense. I like it. Yeah, I couldn't get ads running on my... Oh, there's an amusement park right there. Oh, there's nothing in Seattle, that's why. Yeah, I don't have, I don't know. I had a site and I applied for ads and they said, nope, you don't get good enough traffic or some shit. I'm like, oh, fuck you. Used to be you just were able to just throw ads on your site regardless of how many people visit. What's the harm in that? I mean, you still get your ad revenue if somebody shows up. Cool. Great job, man. Now all you need to do is buy this shirt and you'll be complete. But I think I'm about done tonight, guys. We did some cool stuff. We fixed the NPC pause functionality. That's awesome. We added foreground functionality to items on the game. So now that I can make you able to kind of walk under certain things within the map. And, you know, you can position them like items. You can make them interact, too. If you walk under it, you can make it look like you're under there. I don't know. Why not? With an interaction image. And don't forget about today's sponsor, Orbem.shop. Support the channel. Buy Flex Keys. It's $4.99, guys. That's less than your coffee. You know what I mean? Yeah, just pick it up. Buy it. Very easy. Google Pay, Woo Pay, you know, anything you have, you can pick. What? You can pick any color combination, like gray and gray. Or how about purple and gray? Seafilms has never had coffee, but tea, whatever. A Coke. It's probably the same price as a small Coke at McDonald's now. I don't know, I don't drink soda. But yeah, get some Flex Keys. Very cheap, easy peasy, and your fingers will thank you. You'll be much more agile and have much better dexterity in all of your typing and any sort of grip strength training you need. It's very good. Seafilms doesn't drink soda either. So a bottle of water is probably the same price. Smart water, I don't know. And I have the hat. It's actually very cool. It does come in a bunch of colors, but I like the black on black embroidered. Yeah, you see the nice little Orbem Order logo there. And yeah, man, you can get your, if you really like the Riddler or the Joker, you can get your Flex Keys in that color. Also, you got your puzzles. You have coffee. I know Seafilms doesn't drink coffee, but I sell coffee that's Orbem Order branded. So it's a light roast. It's something that I would drink, so I got it. And it's, yeah, it's good. Also, tons of merch, clothes you can buy. And don't forget, obviously, get the books. Seafilms has never had alcohol either. Cheers to that. Never start, Seafilms. It's a horribly wonderful habit. It just makes life a little bit more easy to handle. But, yeah, if you don't need it, you don't need it. Good for you. But if you need music, grab the Backwater Outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Courtesy of Orbem Order. Also not that bad of a price for a Bluetooth speaker, but yeah. Anyways, that was our sponsor. Thank you so much, everybody who's jumped on here. The little amount that has. Seafilms, you're the best. You're the GOAT. Great job on the website, man. It's looking really great. And I hope to see you again very soon. And everybody have an amazing weekend. Good night. Yes, I think it is waterproof. So, get the speaker. Good night. Goodbye. See you.